Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So for today's video I will be showing you how to create a thumbnail, but specifically a day in my life thumbnail for persons who are interested in vlogging. Now this type of aesthetic has been trending, so I am going to show you how to achieve an eye-catching minimalistic thumbnail for your videos. And the best part of this video is that you can create this for free, baby, using Canva. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now as you can see, my rulers and guides are on, and what this does is it allows your work to be more precise and better aligned. Now to achieve this, just go to File at the top left of your page and select rulers and guides, and it will show the rulers and guides. And as I said, it allows for precision and perfect alignment. Now because I have already aligned how I want my layout to be in terms of how I want the pictures to appear on the thumbnail, I am just going to go to my previous design and position the ruler and the guide and how I want those pictures to be placed in a perfect alignment. So that's what you will see me doing right here. And once you do that, it stays in position until you decide to take the rulers and alignments off. Now what I'm going to do now is I am just going to go to elements and select grid. And now I am going to position the grids based on the ruler, how I had set them up before. So I'm just going to put the larger photo here, and I'm going to shrink that and put it over here. And it is quite literally self-explanatory, so you guys can watch and see what I'm doing. I don't think I have to explain this bit, but use grids. Grids are better. It gives you much more control over how you want your images to appear. And now it's time to add our images. Now since as this is a thumbnail for vlogging, I would assume that you would use your own image. If not, Canva has a photo gallery that you can use the images for free but not for commercial purposes, so be mindful of that. And now I'm just going to add my images, and to get them inside the grids, you just drag them and allow them to snap into the frame or the grid, just like that. Now if you want to zoom in on a specific aspect of your image, all you have to do is double tap on that image and you'll see a grid like over the photo. All you have to do is pull on those dotted ends and drag or pull or retract however you want the image to appear. Now I'm just going to lock everything that I've worked on, because when you're dealing with grids or frames, it's easy for you to mistakenly drag another image into that grid. Once you drag a photo over it, it automatically snaps into the grid. So I'm just going to lock everything. Now let's add some text to our design. The font that I'm going to use is Scripture, and I'm just going to add a day in my life. And what I am going to do is I am going to add a few text effects. So I am going to add a curved effect, and I'm going to add a background to the text as well. So just keep watching. And now I am just going to add some descriptors, some words describing what you're seeing in each picture. So for the larger picture, I am going to put work. For the food, I'm going to put lunch. And for the last image, I am going to put morning routine. And for the morning routine, because the words are so long, I created a wavy text effect. I already have a video on my channel on how to achieve a a wavy text in Canva, so you can check that out if you're interested in achieving that text effect. So this is me just adding a border around the entire frame, but this is completely optional. And this concludes today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.